Hey, it's Tom Gallagher. Welcome to another edition of The Story Behind the Car. I shot this at Rustoberfest back in October. Rustoberfest is really a great car show. If you are in the Midwest, it's worth going to. It's in New Florence, Missouri, right off of Highway 70. And this is a 57 or a 58 Plymouth Savoy. And if you've watched my channel, you've seen a lot of videos on Christine. There's the Savoy badging. There's a gentleman in St. Louis, Barkley, who has a passion for these cars. He loves the movie Christine, and he has built various renditions of the Christine. So they're in red, and he's got a junkyard Christine that he's coming out with that I'll be shooting probably in the next week or so. But I thought I would post this just because it's a cool car, and this one's in pretty darn nice shape. And someone may see this and bring back all kinds of memories of their father's car or grandfather's car. These were pretty popular back in the day. Hope you enjoy the video. Check out the Christines.